Well, I had a gas. I had the gas. A little bit of an update here, but here's that John Deere 60V. Here, let me grab these flappers. See how that flapper isn't all the way down? Neither is that one. Sorry if that was out of focus. The screen had a little bit of junk in it. Hopefully I have enough diaphragms around here to replace this, and I'll put it back together and see how it goes. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but in that nipple is a bunch of garbage. Let me pick it out and I'll be back. All of that came out of the fuel nipple. Came out of there. A little poking and prodding and a little bit of carb cleaner. All that junk.